Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to be talking about something brand new. We're going to be talking about something called part whole. And part whole is going to lead us eventually into adding and into subtracting. But first, before we get into even using numbers with part whole, we have to understand what is a part and what is a whole. So I've put together a little chart for us. We're going to sort these pictures over here on the side, and we're going to drag them, and if it's a part of something, we're going to put it on this side, and if it's a whole of something, we're going to put it on this side. Now, for us to have a whole, we always have to have at least more than one part. So let's start with this orange right here. This picture of the orange has been split in half, so it's a part of an orange. It is not the whole thing because you can see the inside of it. But this right here, this orange, is the whole thing. So let's look at this watermelon right here. This is a slice of a watermelon, so it is only part of the watermelon. It is not the whole thing. But this, we can see that this one is a whole watermelon. It is the whole thing. So this would go under the whole column. Now, can you do the sandwich one? Is this a part of a sandwich, or is this the whole sandwich? What do you think? Good job. This is part of a sandwich because you can tell that this has been cut in half. You don't see the whole thing, so that means that this one must be the whole sandwich. Good job, boys and girls. So let's look at what we call, this is one way that we can see a part whole mat or a representation of part whole. So this right here, this big circle is always going to be the whole thing. And then it breaks off into its different parts because it has the littler circles. So right here we have a whole watermelon. This is the whole thing. And then we have our two parts, one part, two parts. And then when we put these two parts together, when we put them together, we get the whole thing over here, this whole watermelon. So your job today is you are going to see a sheet like this with more pictures on it. And you're going to sort those pictures by their part, if it's a part of something or if it's the whole thing. And then you're going to have some pictures that are, you might have a picture of a watermelon, you might have a picture of some oranges, and you're going to sort them on this part whole mat. We can also call this right here a number bond. So you're going to sort your pictures into their parts and into their wholes. Remember, you have to have at least two parts. When you put those two parts together, we get the whole thing. So I want you to try this time.